Pro traders are already getting ready for that Fed meeting coming up next week. Let's bring in the day trader, Mike Shorr, Prosper Trading Academy. And Mike, big cap tech names, including Apple, Meta, Google, and Microsoft, are taking a hit ahead of that Fed decision. What do you think as we are seeing this sell-off happening in tech names?
Yeah, so this week we've seen some bearish action, after this nice run last week. And, I think this is mostly positioning for the FOMC coming up next week. But what you're seeing is even some of your really strong big tech names that have made a nice run, get hit. And that, now your buyer's remorse or your FOMO that you're like, oh man, I could have bought this down here. Well, we have that opportunity again. So I'm looking at Microsoft finding support down in that 246 area. So I'm leaning there from the long side. And I mean, we've seen Microsoft, well above the 250 line. So I think that there's a lot of room to the upside. Anything from any data that trickles out this week. Remember, we have PPI on Friday. So if we get a neutral to coolish number on that, we're going to go see the highs from last week and probably higher than that. But, right now, I think you're seeing some profit taking and everything, but this is the opportunity to kind of get out your wish list for those blue chip tech stocks as they, as some profit taking is being done.
Always great trader talk. Thank you, Mike.
You got it. Thank you very much.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.